welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright guys, so in today's video, I have a quick little haul from Dollar Tree. I am absolutely loving these nutcrackers. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So here we are. All right, so look at this one. This one is black tone, black and red. I don't know, these are so cute and they really are a nice size. And then this one is the blue one. So I'm really liking these. So every time I go and I see them, I grab some. I don't know how many I have in total, but right here I just grabbed 3. So I like this guy here with the tall red hats. You see, they're really nice size. And like I said, I just went in there. I really did not go in there to shop, but to film, and I always walk out with something. So this is really pretty. Now I did see this. Isn't this is so nice. I thought this was beautiful. And I thought this would be great for a tier tray. I love the way the flowers look. So I grabbed one of these. Like I said, I went in there to film and came out with stuff. I needed some tape because the other day I was doing a DIY and I could not find the tape. I don't know what happened to it. I love getting the little mini ornaments. Probably very soon I'm going to just stock up on a whole bunch of them because I love DIYing with them. So I got one in the gold. Then I saw this guy, which I thought was also pretty beautiful for a tier tray. Nice size, $1.25. And isn't that a nice size? And how cute is he? So I grabbed one of these. Now this bottle here, the Dollar Tree carries it. It is a very big bottle. Okay, we drink a lot of water here at home. I had bought my son a blue one, and I don't know, he dropped it and it cracked. But so I found a brown one that I can replace his with. I have a pink one. It would be nice if I can find it in white, but these are so hard to find because of the size of these. And so you have 32 ounces of fluid that you can put in here. We drink a lot of water, so we do it for that purpose. And look at this. So it has all these things here. You did it, almost there, remember your gold. We fill this up maybe a quarter of the way. We freeze it, the rest of it is water, and then it lasts us throughout school. So he can go ahead and use this. This is more on the brownish tone, so I got him that. Then the Dollar Tree's carrying these Pillsbury gingerbread cookie mix. So you know how to grab one of these. I probably should have grabbed more than just one. I always say that. And so I'm going to go ahead and try to make this. I'm probably going to do that in one of my collaborations. And I like these ornaments. So I'm not sure. I would like to do a centerpiece and incorporate these. I thought these were really pretty. So I grabbed one of these. Now I am making a cake for Thanksgiving because we're going somewhere. We're going to go visit someone for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to make a cake and I don't have to worry about, I love this container because you can take it anywhere, and if I should not get it back, it's absolutely fine. And so I found it and I grabbed it right away. So I told the girl to go ahead and put everything back inside of the lid here, and I will put it away later. Here is the receipt from the Dollar Tree, and that is my quick haul. For me, the biggest gem, of course, is going to be the nutcrackers, and then second would be this container that they only had one left for my son, and that's pretty much it. This is really pretty as well, and so is the cardinal. You know what? The whole haul, no matter how small it is a great haul. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.